Hello everyone. So today I'm just going to be doing a very quick Jeffree Star Beautylish unboxing because I got the Alien palette and the lip bundle in the mail, so I thought I would just do a very quick unboxing before I do lip swatches, a first impression, all that stuff. Are you going to help me with my Jeffree Star unboxing? Or are you going to leave? Oh, you're leaving. Oh, there's boy. Hi boy. So when you open your box and you order from Beautylish and you buy Jeffree Star, this is the packaging you get. Super pretty. It has all of his tattoos. They really package their stuff good. I always get like free samples. What is this? Oh cool, that's the I think that's the pharmacy clean stuff. Not why we're here, but thanks. And then so this is the lip bundle, I can already tell because you know. And then this is the palette. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so I opened the bag. Oh, there's the palette. There's the beauty. Look at it's all bubble wrap, so I'm gonna have to undo that, but I'm so hyped. And then we got these. Okay, whoa, I'm so excited. Woo! Now let's make sure I got all the right ones, and I did. I got every single one. I'm so excited. I will be doing lip swatches and we will open them. I'm so excited. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna open this now because I can't do that with one hand. Oh my god, this packaging is freaking gorgeous. I just realized too that it's snowed out, so I can do like really pretty snowy backgrounds. I'm so excited. Okay, but this packaging is gorgeous. I'm gonna be keeping the box for a while for sure. Because, oh, there's our beautiful alien. Okay, so I'm just gonna gently do this with one hand. It looks like I'm not being gentle, but I am, I swear to God. Woo! Oh, it's so pretty! Okay, like, hello. Like, look at those eyes. Jeffree, you slay my existence. Okay. Let's open her up for the oh my god. This is so unique to anything I have. I'm so excited. Moonrock and Interstellar are so far the ones I'm most excited for. And okay, I'm excited for like every single shade, to be honest, but look at that. That is freaking gorgeous. And of course you got a nice mirror. Spot my Harry Potter wall over there. But yeah, no, this slays my entire existence. And Phone Home is such a beautiful, I'm so excited. These are all so pretty. I will be doing a swatch video because first I would like to take a million photos of this before I ruin it. But oh my god, it's so pretty. So pretty. Okay, now let's put this beauty aside before I end up touching it. And let's go through all the lip shades. I'm most excited for Karma because I love these like gross green colors because I love them. So let's, first off, the packaging is like this rainbow white, super duper gorgeous. Jeffree knows how to slay everyone's existence. Okay, let's get these open. So there's the packaging of all of them. Super duper pretty. And this is with flash, in case any of you wanted to see what it looked like. So the first shade we're going with is Can't Relate, and already as soon as you like open it, mine ripped of course, so RIP. You can see that glitter. Oh, like, dude, look at that glitter. I hope that he will come out with a lipstick that'll have like glitter like this infused. Like, your girl needs that. It's so much easier to see with flash, so here's flash for you, and there we go. There we go. You can really see it run through. So with flash, here is the entire lip bundle. So we have Can't Relate, Jeffree Who, Hi, How Are Ya, Clout, Scandal, Karma, YS, OTP, You're Still on the Property, and Triggered. Like, oh, I'm so excited to swatch all of these. I will link my swatch video in the cards and in the description for you guys to go check out. And without flash, just in normal fluorescent lighting, here is what they look like. They're absolutely stunning. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. I've never done a makeup unboxing before like this. I just really wanted to quickly get this up so that you guys could, you know, see the beauty that is this and go pick all this up. So anyways, please subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Excuse me, do not step on my new Jeffree Star stuff. Chloe, how rude. Clolita, get your bum out of here. Get out of here. Oh, I said get your bum out of here, not sit your bum. This is the life of having a cat, I swear to God. You're lucky you're cute.